Welcome back. Your weekly sight words. I am your teacher, Miss Thee. Welcome back. I will be teaching another lesson on weekly sight words. Are you guys ready? Let's go get started. Can you say you? You. Say up. Up. Can you say four? Four. Say not. Not. Can you say run? Run. Now we'll use all of the words in a sentence. Are you ready? Let's go. I see you. Look up. This is for you. This is not mine. Run to me. Now let's see if you can get all of the words right on the first time. Are you ready? You. Up. For. Not. Run. You guys did amazing with the weekly sight words. I'll see you next week in the next video. Bye guys.